This is a really nice teak rocking chair that Jai's sitting in. It's got a slide out footrest and it's beautiful colors. 3,500 baht, less than 100 US.
Name of this store is named Teak Furniture.
They will be leaving the Surin area, going to Udon next. Udon Thani, sorry. Okay.
And after that, the end of the year, they're going to move to Ubon Thani.
Yeah, okay.
26 December until 6 January.
Now they have all kinds of product here that you can check out when they move. They're going to be bringing other items with them,
Yeah, this teak.
but it's teak.
This
They're going to resand it and refinish again. It's already got 4 coats on it. They're going to do 1 more coat. And these are the other tables they have here right now. Anybody that sees it here in Surin in the next day or two. This is a 1.5 meter table. And these tables over here are 2 meter tables. And the chairs, we just picked through the ones we liked the most by color basically. And they're in the process of sanding them now and getting the rough spots off. And they're going to refinish them. And they're using polyurethane to coat everything with. So it's all really nice. We've been debating for the last couple of days if we wanted to buy a wooden table or not, because we had trouble with the termites when we went to America on some of the wood that's in our house. The new table that we bought off the highway. So anyhow, we decided to move it outside. It looks better outside anyhow. And buy a new one to put in the house. So again, these people are moving to Udon next. And they'll be there for 2 weeks. Then they're going to be moving to Ubon after that at the end of the year. I think he said the 26th of December through the 6th of January. So this is only a small portion of what they have here to offer. Check them out. Okay, we bought this table. Very pretty. They're going to refinish one more time here before they bring it to us. They're going to deliver to our house. Very nice. Then we got these 6 chairs to go with it here. And they're going to resand the rough spots and repaint them now. And we ended up with 13,000 baht. This is one of the owners of the company. It's a family-owned business. And he's resanding our table. It's already got 4 coats of polyurethane on it. But he's resanding and going to put another coat on to make it even more beautiful. It's beautiful teak wood. And Jai will have to say where they get this wood.
They have normally they grow teak in the north of Thailand. The province, Thai province,
is like a very famous about teak. And teak can grow in the north of Thailand and Isan, like the northeastern of Thailand too. But Ton told me that is a teak in Isan, it grows so fast. But teak from the north of Thailand is grow slow. When go slow, they have
It gets
you see,
better grain in the
grain.
wood. This is a bar table that they have here right now that we're sitting at. And it's just absolutely beautiful. And the stools that are here with it too. The stools I'm sitting on right now they have backs. Let me move a little bit here. So the stools that Jai's sitting on have no back. The stools over here do have a back. So this table here is set as 12,000 with 2 chairs. Very thick though, it's heavy. It's really heavy. And the chairs are comfortable. I've been sitting here for about an hour in this chair.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it. I really do. This would be something cool to have
Okay.
out in front of the house.
I love you.
I love the smell when they're refinishing this.
นี่ทำมา500ไม่ได้อะไรเลยคุณมา500เพราะอันนี้เป็นป้าผมทำอะไรผมทำแต่ตกไป500พอมาตรงนั้น
Look at the colors in it. It's just beautiful.
ก็พี่น้องทำมาตกให้
They put it on plenty thick too. This is now the 5th coat. The professional doing the paint.